If you have this problem on IM Security game, I will show you how to fix it today. So just follow and watch this video till the end. I will show you guys step by step how to fix it. Let's start. So first, open the settings of your mobile phone, click on apps option and search for IAM security and click on it like this. Scroll this list down now, click storage option, click clear cache only, and right now back, click on force stop, click OK. Click here at battery, make sure that your battery is enabled on optimized mode. And next, go to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Update your game if the update is available. If you don't find the update, there is no need. And after that, restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another tutorial.